From structure to soul, your home is rising. Stronger, safer, closer every day. This is where dreams meet reality. Brick by brick, floor by floor, your future is rising. Significant progress has been achieved in internal development with washroom tiling, electrical pipelines, and plumbing works nearing completion across multiple blocks. Double waterproofing has been executed. Curing processes underway for many blocks to ensure long-term durability. Corridor development, window installations, and finishing details are also well advanced. Overall project completion has now reached 70%. No shortcuts, no compromises. Just a home built the way it should be, the way you deserve. As you view the transformation from current progress to final vision, you'll see a home that is thoughtfully crafted at every stage. Get ready. Your dream home is coming to life in full color. Our next update is just around the corner. If the progress excites you, invite your family, friends, and colleagues to witness it firsthand.